Hey, today I'm going to talk to you about the most empowering program for both your mind and your pocket. I discovered this program more than 15 years back when I first wanted to, in a structured way, uh, transfer my skills that I learned, which enabled me to make money, to people who are coming to me asking for advice. I called it Train the Trainer, but it's a combination of various skills. It's a combination of your ability to communicate, your interpersonal skills ability, your ability to empathize, your ability to make presentations, your ability to talk to large audiences, whether you're handling just 5 people around a desk, 30 people in a classroom, or 300 people in a conference hall. How do you manage their energy levels? How do you keep them interested? How do you structure your training program so that they stay invested in it? Once I discovered these techniques, I used it not just to empower my own life, but to empower the life of the people who came to me. And I enjoyed the process. When I was studying, I had a very challenging time uh, completing my degree. And one of the reasons was that what I was in didn't interest me as much as what I wanted to do. As I was doing my basic bachelor's degree, I realized that I love to participate in debates. Love to participate in programs where I could interact with people, communicate, influence them. I found that when I took up part-time jobs in selling or business development, I was doing very well. One of the things that I realized that people bought things from me was or were influenced by me because they were convinced and they bought me rather than the product or service. And that's the secret in most of these things. People buy you as a person, and when they have faith in you, they invest in the product or service. Now, when it is transfer of skills or knowledge, when they have faith in you, they're going to spend so much more time soaking in the knowledge that you want to give them. So while I was good at all these things, basic strengths of communication, interpersonal skills, ability to articulate, I realized that I needed to understand what the person wanted, what kind of program to design. If I went into a company, then what is it that I needed to analyze in order to get it right? I needed to understand, for example, what kind of training need analysis needed to be done. I needed to understand what kind of training skills was required. I needed to then evaluate what is it that these people have learned in the form of a training evaluation. And then, most importantly, teach the facilitation skills that make you a world champion. Now, when you are good at all these things, you realize that you're a big, great public speaker, you can influence people. And then started my journey into this domain. Right through, I have worked in large companies, whether it's British Telecom, General Electric, Boeing Aerospace, 247 Customer, Hinduja Global Solutions, Z Media. But one thing that always stood out was that my team worked because I was able to convey what I wanted. I was able to sell the importance of what I needed to achieve and what the team needed to achieve. And I transferred the appropriate knowledge required to the appropriate set of people. So then I wanted to take these skill sets that I had and take it to the general public where I wanted to transfer these skills so that they would benefit from it. These skills empowered people to start their own business in the training industry, to be more effective communicators, to influence both in the formal and informal environment around them. And also, if you wanted to be a training person in a corporate sector. And then I found that I had to learn a few structured things, which I had told you earlier. And so I got around designing something which would involve things that would make you a complete trainer. The four components that comprise this training program are training need analysis, training skills, training evaluation, and facilitation skills. Each of these modules have subtopics which I mastered and which knowledge I am going to transfer to you. Now, when I transfer these knowledge to you, it is not done in a theoretical fashion. It's not going to be like a classroom. 70% of our training is practicals. You're going to practice, practice, practice. It's like a vocational training. You are going to love it. Not just that. We're going to have training in real life situations where when it is training for 300 people, you'll be given an opportunity to do that. If it's for a smaller group, you'll be training in a smaller group. We do outdoor trainings. Our trainings have taken place during the course of this program. We may do a small part of a training, maybe in OT, maybe in coaching, maybe in an outside environment. The whole emphasis is to make you get out of your shell. We have had students who are there right from 23, 24 years old till 72, 73 years old. In fact, we had a 73-year-old student whose testimonial, actually you can see a video testimonial where he talks of how we brought him out of the shell. See, there's a benefit of going through this training to become a trainer, to start your own business or be in the corporate field. But here are other intangible benefits, like a more magnetic personality, a better communicator, a better influences, not just among your friends and relatives, but also with your clients. Ours is a fun program while being serious about transferring these skills. Have a look at our website, have a look at the things that we cover, and give us a call. And we will make sure you can do the training and benefit from it at a cost that is comfortable to you. Please do call. My name is Venkat and I've been doing this for years and I have unlocked the secret to get this right. I look forward to enjoying these sessions with you.